cold, but my rhymes is so sick. Nigga, when I shit bricks, I shit cement. I eat it so good, then I give your girl until she's pink. Man, you know how it is. My name is Young Rob, reppin' city place, cause this nigga is a fucking slob. You a fucking god girl in the house giving me a blow job. I'm going on my cob, fuck on my knob. She sucking all day. Cause hope y'all know niggas over here think I'm gay. Y'all know how it is though. I be fucking bitches up the gay. Nigga getting up, I spray you again.
This dude is
this
fucked
nigga
up,
named
and I know what
happened.
He been messing around with them kids like Michael Jackson. Hey, you been rapping for years and I'm still on with this. Stop playing my shit like Corvette is switching gears. Stop playing, you really want it with me when your ass be ending up on the TV just to mention. And your mama crying saying she miss you. Why they tried to take my baby away? I said, okay. He was talking like he was straight. He was walking a thin line. Then I brought the AK and I sprayed it. And he couldn't take it. So he fell back. And